Total shutdown against Citizenship Amendment Bill called by Northeast Students Organization and All Manipur Students Union affects normal life in Manipur. And Lok Sabha passes Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 after a marathon discussion and division last night. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibeto Tokchong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. All Manipur Students Union AMSU's 15-hour statewide total shutdown in Manipur in support of Northeast Students Organization. NASHO's total shutdown called in Northeast states against Citizenship Amendment Bill has affected normal life in Manipur. AMSU volunteers have even destroyed passenger vehicles plying on roads during its ongoing total shutdown. District units of AMSU also carried out the ban in their respective districts. Police has reportedly arrested 10 AMSU members from Manipur University at around 11 this morning. Very few vehicles were seen plying on roads, all pumps remained closed and only few shops were opened. Manipur Police and Central Paramilitary Forces are being deployed at strategic locations to avoid any untoward incidents. NASHO and AMSU's total shutdown against cab also affected normal life in Jiribam district today. Roads bore deserted looks, educational institutions and markets remain closed. AMSU volunteers and women folks came out on streets in agitation. They blocked roads and punctured vehicle tires. Jiribam district police and paramilitary forces are on strict vigil to avoid any untoward incidents.
Northeast ki lairiba akhoi yellow missing bo akhoi muthatnabagi akhoi lairiba India government na azugumlaba moi thosil tawakanda akhoi vote bank oina damakta mo azugumlaba akhoi indigenous people lamdam sigi Northeast ki amadi Manipur gi lairiba indigenous people chung muthatnabagi azugumlaba citizen amendment bill 2019 ase lairiba akhoi Jiribam gi lairiba amsu amadi lamdam sida lairiba mipum khuding nasu yaba ngamoi karigum hariba citizen bill hariba citizen amendment bill 2019 asigi mayokta matam chupada laini haiba wafam jing asi amsu district committee magai degi thamjari.
Students of Guwahati University, Tetzfu University and Cotton University carried out torch rally under All Assam Students Union against passing of CAB 2019 in the Lok Sabha yesterday. The rally kicked off from Guwahati University campus in Jalukhabari, Assam till Saraighat Bridge and finally concluded at the initiating point. Students chanted various slogans during the protest. Thangmaiban United Club TUC, an apex body of all the local clubs of Thangmaiban constituency, has expressed happiness over Union Home Minister Amit Shah's announcement in the Lok Sabha yesterday that inner line permit system will be extended to Manipur and that Citizenship Amendment Bill exempts certain travel areas included in the 6th schedule and those falling under the inner line permit regime in the northeastern states. TUC has lauded Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, Chief Minister Nongtoman Biren and the state cabinet ministers for the same. Speaking to media at Kangjabi Leirak Youth Club in Nagamapal, Kangjabi Leirak today, TUC President Lesangtim Pratap said that Thangmaiban United Club will appreciate every good deeds of the government but challenge those which are against the public's interest. He also urged the state government to be meticulous while implementing inner line permit system in the state. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 in Lok Sabha. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Afternoon News. Lok Sabha has passed the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 after a marathon discussion and division of over 7 hours last night. In all, 311 members voted in favor of the bill and 80 members opposed it. The bill, among other things, seeks to grant citizenship to Hindus, Jains, Parsis, Buddhists and Christians who migrated to India till the end of 2014 from countries like Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan due to reasons like persecutions. However, the bill exempts certain travel areas included in the sixth schedule and those falling under the inner line permit regime in the northeastern states. It amends the Citizenship Act 1955, the Passport Act 1920, and the Foreigners Act 1946 for implementation of its provisions. Home Minister Amit Shah said the bill does not violate any provisions of the Constitution, including Article 14 that places all people equally before law. He said the bill is not discriminatory against minorities. He added that Manipur will be brought under the inner line permit regime for the bill. A total of 48 members spoke on the bill. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed delight over the passage of the Citizenship Amendment Bill in the Lok Sabha. He said the proposed law is in line with India's centuries-old ethos of assimilation and belief in humanitarian values. Meanwhile, as per sources, the BJP is confident of the passage of the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill in the Rajya Sabha, unlike last time. The bill will be introduced in the upper house on Wednesday. The world observes Human Rights Day today. The day is celebrated on the 10th December every year to commemorate the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. It may be mentioned that the General Assembly of the United Nations passed the declaration in 1948. National Human Rights Commission has also organized a function at Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi today to celebrate Human Rights Day. President Ramnath Kovind will address the gathering as a chief case, and NHRC Chairman Justice H.L. Dattu will release NHRC journals and DVD of award-winning short films on human rights. Now the sports news. Neroka FC's second home match of the ongoing Hero I-League with East Bengal is underway since 2 this afternoon at Kumal Lampak Main Stadium in Imphal. Second league match between Minerva Punjab and Chennai City is also underway since 2 p.m. at Ludhiana's Guru Nanak Stadium. In yesterday's league match played at Goa's Tilak Maidan, Aizawl FC defeated Indian Arrows 2-1. For the winners, William Lalnunfela and Joe Joharliana scored 1 goal each at 64th and 90 plus 4 minutes of the match. The lone goal of the Indian Arrows was netted by Vikram Pratap Singh in the 81st minutes of the match. Jamshedpur FC and Chennaiyin FC ended in 1-1 draw in the encounter of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 yesterday at Jamshedpur's JRD Tata Sports Complex. For Jamshedpur FC, Isaac Vanmal Sauna netted 1 goal at 89 minutes, and for Chennaiyin FC, Nerijus Valskis netted 1 goal at 26 minutes. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Total shutdowns against Citizenship Amendment Bill called by Northeast Students Organization and All Manipur Students Union affects normal life in Manipur. And Lok Sabha passes Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 after a marathon discussion and division last night.